Hello friends and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharp X141Q 4K UHD laser projector. So friends, Sharp has announced the new launch of Sharp XP X141Q RP laser projector, and the new model is a high-end addition of installation PJ category, adding to Sharp's strong lineup of projector including the recently announced P series providing 4K Ultra HD images and create maximum detail and color reproduction, bringing content to life with 13,500 lumens for the ultimate viewing experience. And the projector are designed for application requiring high brightness and ideal for corporate conference room, higher education classroom, museum, house of worship, financial institution, and more. And friend, the displaying 9.2 million pixels and the X141 enable presentation, the meticulous detail, avoiding the need for multiple display with a neatly designed red and blue laser engine. It provides vibrant image using the larger color plate. In addition, user can assure knowledging that the projector is virtually maintenance free thanks to the DLP laser technology. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.